Hey guys, this is Sai Krishnan from the trendyblog.net, and today we are going to do the unboxing and hands-on of the D-Link N300 Wi-Fi Range Extender. So this is the D-Link Wi-Fi Range Extender and the model number is DAP-1325. So I recently reviewed range extender from Wavelink company and which was bought from banggood.com, which is a Chinese website that retails for around 2500 rupees. So that is a 2.4 gigahertz plus 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi range extender, and also before that few months ago I have reviewed Linksys range extender, which was also 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz, but in both of these were quite costly. And now this range extender is just a 2.4 gigahertz range extender and it's an N300 Wi-Fi range extender. So it will give you speeds up to 300 Mbps and a Wi-Fi coverage, smart signal LEDs, one-touch security and Ethernet port. So you can see that MRP is put as 3696, but you can get it very cheap on Amazon.in. So you can purchase this from Amazon.in for a price range of 1500 to 1600 rupees. So you can buy this from Amazon for almost 1550 rupees to 1600 rupees. And it's quite good one, and it's also pretty robust. So I have been using this for past 1 week and I have seen good coverage and a good signal strength in the rooms in which my Wi-Fi router doesn't give proper signal. So unboxing the package, you can see that we have the extender itself. So here is the extender. Let's take that to the side, and then inside we have some documentation etc., in which it has the warranty card, configuration card, etc. So I have the reset button and the WPS button. So just two buttons which are quite easy to use. So there are two antennas. So this is a N300 Wi-Fi extender, which means this. So here you can see that we have the heat sinks and heat. So here we have one more heat sink. So both of the side we have the heat sinks. Here's the plug, and here is certain D-Link and safety etc. So that's it. Now let me show you how to connect this to your router and how it's usable. So now we have connected the Wi-Fi range extender to the plug point, and you can see that this is my existing Wi-Fi, which is home Wi-Fi 5_5G, which is a 5 GHz range network and 2.4 GHz range network. So here is the D-Link. So now let us click this and put in the password which was given in that. So here is the password that's given in the configuration card. So let's put this password and let's configure the device. So now as you can see that the Wi-Fi has been connected. Now let us configure it. So now we have to put the we have to log on to this website, which is D-Link DAP938.local, and then we have to put username and password, then we have to configure it. So let's do that now. So this is the URL which you have to put in order to get through the setup page of the Wi-Fi range extender. So guys, in case that URL didn't work properly and give you error, you can just use this IP address which is not given in the extender booklet, but you can use this. You can see this, it's 192.168.0.50. So you can use that use this one to log into your Wi-Fi range extender. So guys, you can use this IP address to log into your D-Link Wi-Fi range extender interface. So you can just put your admin password here. So password here will be empty, so you just have to click login, and that you can see that here we are inside the interface now. So it's written click here to detect. So we'll just click here to repair and internet existing router. So we'll click next. So as you can see that here it shows me the internet existing router DAP-1325 and Wi-Fi client. So it's asking me to press the WPS button on the router. So yeah, my router doesn't have a WPS button because I have a Xiaomi 3G router and it doesn't come with WPS button. So in case if a router doesn't come with a WPS button, you can use this way to configure Wi-Fi range extender. So you have two ways to configure, which is easy ways. So you can just press the WPS button on your router and your extender, and it will be connected automatically. And if your router doesn't have a WPS button, you can use this method. So here is my Wi-Fi. As you can see that it only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. So here is my home Wi-Fi, and it will ask for a password. Let me give the password to it. After giving password to my existing router, it's asking me the new Wi-Fi network name. So I will give home Wi-Fi extension to this range extender, and we'll give this password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then we'll click next. So you can see that it's asking the admin password to secure access the web-based configuration. So the admin password is empty, so you have to set any admin password because you're setting this for the first time. So you can just set here PASSWO password. You can see that my existing Wi-Fi name and password has been given here, and my extended network is here. So now I'll click finish and everything will reboot and my extender will start working now. So as you can see, the process is going on. the timer second is given. So after around 72 seconds, my extender will reboot and I'll be able to access my extender. So guys, now you can see that here we have the home Wi-Fi extension. Let's click here. Let's put in the password 1234567 8. Let's click connect and it will get connected. So now you can see that it was easy process to connect the Wi-Fi range extender. And now let me click go. So let it just test the speed. So you can see that as it's connected on 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi range, so it will be go up maximum up to 50 Mbps. So out of that 50 Mbps of my original router, I am getting around 35 to around 40 Mbps. So that's pretty impressive. So by this way, you can extend your Wi-Fi network at the places where you don't have Wi-Fi. So the range extender performed pretty well, as it's a pretty cheap. It's just 1500 rupees. And you can buy it from Amazon.in. So guys, that's a quick video on the D-Link DAP-1325 Wi-Fi Range Extender. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. We will try to review more of D-Link products in future. So guys, as you can see this, you can purchase this Wi-Fi Range Extender for around 1500 rupees from Amazon.in. If you want to purchase it, I will leave a direct link from where you can go and buy it. So guys, this is Sai signing off. We'll catch you guys soon in my next one. Till then, peace out.